What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Journal View, and today we are talking about that one thing that you're doing wrong with your Insta stories. So let's get started. So a lot of us click pictures and upload to our Insta stories. Guess what? Pictures that you click directly from your Instagram app turn out to be way worse when compared to the ones you shoot from the stock camera app of your phone. Take this for example. I shot the exact same picture with my smartphone. What you will notice as soon as you see the image is that the Instagram image is so underexposed, grainy, and lacks detail quite a bit when compared to the opposite image. Why does this happen? Well, the answer is simple. The stock image processing app of your phone is superior to that of Instagram and you get a better image. Next time, shoot with your stock camera app and then upload to your Instagram stories. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.